Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You've got iCloud on and reminders enabled. Now act. Create 2 master lists: home, work, errands, someday, and set one as your default so new items land predictably. Immediately capture every pending task. Type it, ask Siri, or drag emails and links into reminders. Once items exist, assign priorities and due dates so nothing is ambiguous. Make sure to sync across devices before moving on, otherwise you'll lose context. This fast start gives structure and momentum. Now refine tasks so you can act without thinking. Tag items with short labels, #phone, #email, #urgent, and limit tags to 6-8 types to avoid clutter. Break complex tasks into subtasks so each step has a clear next action, and set due dates, times, or repeat rules where applicable. Use smart lists to aggregate filtered views by tag, date range, priority, or location. Once smart lists are active, you'll scan focused inboxes instead of every list, making execution faster and decisions simpler. Finish by setting a weekly review. Clear completed tasks, reschedule overdue items, and archive lists older than 6 months. Share lists with collaborators so you can assign tasks and get notified of changes. Make sure permissions are correct. Use shortcuts to automate recurring capture or batch edits. If something breaks, first toggle reminders in iCloud, restart your devices, and confirm both devices run current iOS/Mac OS versions. Then check network and Apple ID. This final sweep maintains reliability and keeps your system usable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.